Okay, we got a minor rain event outside, guys. I think we'll be able to get the excavation done, but the homeowner's been great to us, allowed us to use this garage. Let's make sure we're all on the same page, okay? Who made the one call, the dig safe call?
Right here, Pete.
Done?
Done.
Okay, good. Permit?
Got it.
Pulled, good. Preliminary design, the Techo-Bloc free service, is that done?
Got that here, and the engineer's on his way.
The engineer with a stamp drawing?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Who was in charge of grades?
Here.
Okay, so we've got our benchmark then, garage floor, 0, 0, good. So that's right out here, right out the garage door. The finished grade of the upper wall, I think, is this wall right here, is 0 plus 64?
Yes.
Okay, good. And this upper wall I have is 0 plus 92?
Check.
Okay, good. So we know that in that case, our bottom of excavation is going to be 0 minus 18 for this first wall, wall 1, which is going to give us a 10-inch embedment and an 8-inch base. In this case, our base is going to be an unreinforced concrete, a flowable fill material. Could use something else, but in this application with all these curves, I think that's going to work great for us. We're going to use Techo-Bloc's recommendations for wall design. We have our lower wall down here. Okay, we have our driveway coming off of that. Now what we're going to want to do is to make sure that we have a good 3-foot column of clean stone behind that wall. That's going to be very easy to compact. It's going to work well with drainage, and it's also going to work well with filtration of any sediment that runs through this system. We're going to want to make sure our base is adequately extended beyond the heel and toe of that block 6 inches. And in this case, because we're in a freeze-thaw susceptible climate, we're going to build it 8 inches thick. Okay? One thing I want to be very careful that we do is that we build a swale in this wall. We're going to use topsoil and erosion-resistant vegetation in these areas, and then we're going to wrap that area in a low permeability clay fill. Low permeability clay fill. And that's going to keep the water from getting into this area and causing hydrostatic pressure that can get it to fail. Our upper wall, right here, again, a 10% embedment, 6 inches beyond the heel and toe of that block, 6 inches here, 6 inches here, 8 inches thick. Again, that 3-foot column of clean stone behind that wall. We may build a berm here to keep water from getting to my wall, again with topsoil and low permeability clay fill. Okay? We're going to have about 9-foot grid links in here, right? So we need to make sure that we maintain that 95% standard Proctor density in here. Is the engineer going to be coming out with a nuclear density gauge test?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll be able to test it as we go. Do we have any questions? All right, come on, let's get to work.